Now, one human being now many people, you see, really shows love me. And many people actually, you see, loves my smile. and in spite my old age, my face quite handsome. So many people, you see, really show me genuine sort of friendship. So now this moment, near my birthday, so I want to express my deep appreciation, all my friend who really showed me love, respect, and trust. So I want to express, say, my thank. And myself, I can assure to you, the rest of my life, I committed serving humanity and protection of climate, the condition. So, since I become a refugee, now settled in India, I fully utilized India's freedom and religious harmony. So, I want to assure to you, the rest of my life, I fully committed this work. And then also, I really appreciate the Indian sort of concept, secular, without religion, but keep honest, karuna, and ahimsa. So, dear my friend, on my birthday, this is my gift. So please keep in your mind. I myself committed these non-violence and compassion till my death. So, as my offer to my friend, so I hope friends also keep these non-violence and compassion, should keep your rest of life. So that's firstly say something like my sort of report about my life. And secondly, all human brothers, sisters, you see, should keep these two things, non-violence and compassion, till your death. Thank you.